What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, we got the iPhone 16 Pro on deck. And today is an accessory video. Now we got one of the most important accessories, guys. I see a lot of y'all iPhone users walking around with cracked screens, scratches on y'all screens, things of that nature, and it's very unnecessary. Spending $200 to get your screen fixed or walking around with just a ridiculous screen is completely unnecessary. You could spend a couple bucks. So what I actually just spent a couple bucks on over on Amazon, I put a link down in the description. This kit is like under 20 bucks and you get 2 screen protectors. This is the Spigen GLAStR EZ FIT screen protector. Now I love this screen protector, guys, because as you can see on the picture on the box is a frame that actually lines up the screen protector for you on your device. So you don't have to worry about bubbles. It's very good with that. You can easily apply the screen protector. Very easy to apply. And I mean, this saved my screen so many times. And if you mess up the screen protector, it's actually 2 in this pack. I'll put a link down in the description. But again, this is the GLAStR EZ FIT. This is a tempered glass screen protector. You take a look at the back. We got easy installation, real glass. So this is not like one of those sheets of paper type screen protectors. This is a real hardened screen protector that'll take the impact and save your display. You got a oleophobic coating. You got 9/8 surface hardness and Spigen case friendly. So it's case friendly, guys. Even though it says Spigen case friendly, Spigen case is not too different from a lot of other cases. This will work with a lot of cases. So you got a case on your phone, screen protector, you protect it. So you just open it up like so, and we're going to pull this whole kit out. We're going to kind of go over what's going on with the kit and the instructions on how to install this thing. So first and foremost, you got 2 screen protectors here. They both built into these frames. These frames make it super easy for you to line up your screen protector. You got your easy to follow, and if you got your easy to follow instructions, and they super easy to follow. Look, all pictures right here, super easy. I've done this plenty of times. My favorite screen protector because it's easy to install. It actually protects the display, and you can line it up super easy because it has the frame for lining it up for you. Now you get a little envelope with all the cleaning supplies you need, because you know it's important. Before you put any screen protector on your device, you have to thoroughly clean the screen and make sure that nothing is on the screen. You don't want nothing between your display on your device and your screen protector. That looks, tacky. Make sure you clean the screen very well so you just have a nice, it looks like the screen protector is not even there. And if you do have a bubble or 2 after you install the screen protector, they got this nice squeegee so you can just push down on it and make sure all bubbles are gone for a great installation. But I'm about to go ahead and apply this real quick to my device. But if you look at these instructions, guys, it's very simple. You're just going to go ahead and clean the screen on your device. Make sure there's no dust or anything on there. Peel off the back film of the screen protector. Apply the screen protector on top of your device with the whole tray that lines it up for you. And you're just going to slide your fingers back in the hole to make sure it's applied. Peel the film off. And if you get any bubbles, you just squeegee it out. Super easy. Now look, guys, we got a perfectly installed screen protector. So stop playing games. Go check out Spigen. This is on Amazon Prime. You can probably get it tomorrow or the next day. And this is literally a hardened screen protector that's going to actually save your screen in a drop and keep you from walking around with a cracked display or having to pay your insurance deductible to get your display fixed or having to get a new phone. As you can see, easy install. I'm not a professional and I'm doing this while recording it. No bubbles on my 16 Pro. Very icy looking screen protector. You don't even notice it, and it works with phone cases. But like I said, simple solution, guys. Stop walking around with them raggedy iPhones with cracked screens. They make this for more than just the 16 Pro. You just probably had to search GLAStR EZ FIT. But for the 16 Pro owners, just go ahead and click the link in the description. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.